I'll see them. Excuse me. गर्नु पर्यो खिच्न लाग्यो है
Hands up. Inside. And turn. Sanity. Attention. Sanity. Attention. Everyone make a condition, please. Inside.
That also will company allows some little bit one. You get more gap. Yes, okay. Just one more gap.
Yes, sir.
And cover up.
Okay, sir.
And cover up. Inside. Hands up. Inside. And turn. Sanity. Attention. Sanity. Attention. All of you right turn. Now check the line, everyone. And cover up. Inside. Hands up. Inside. And down. Everyone, allow boys, you can join another line. There is no space.
7, 8, 9
You
make
can
another
go
line.
to greenhouse call line.
Very good.
You can join them.
यति भयो हामी आएको पनि
Cover
यो
up.
गरिदिन्छु म त
Inside. Hands up. Inside. Hands down. Sanity. Attention. Sanity. Attention. All to be for national anthem now. Inside. Hands up. Inside. Hands down. Sanity. Attention. Sanity. Attention. Now I like to welcome the respected speaker for the speech.
Namaskar and very warm good morning to Honorable Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, respected teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friend. As you all know, it's Mr. Susan from grade 8 standing in front of you to deliver a short and sweet speech on the topic of virus. Before starting my topic, I like to thank the organizer who have organized this type of program which helps to increase the confidence level of the student. Now my topic goes like this. Virus. Virus is the smallest microorganism which is also known as mysterious creature because it shows the character of both living and non-living beings. The main living character of the virus is it contains the DNA or DNA or RNA as the genetic material. The main non-living character of the virus is it can be crystallized like other chemicals. In this way, virus shows the characteristic of both living and non-living beings. Virus is also known as biological puzzle and bridge between the living and non-living beings. Between non-living and non-living beings. Virus is very small, so it is not seen under the compound microscope. Some common virus are hepatitis B, COVID-19, HIV, influenza virus, etc. The study of virus is called virology. At last, I am to say that virus is very harmful to the living beings. Thank you. And have a good day.
आदरणीय प्रधानाध्यापकजी, सहप्रधानाध्यापकजी, गुरुवर्ग तथा मेरो प्यारा विद्यार्थी साथीहरूलाई मेरो हार्दिक नमस्कार। आज म यस वक्तृत्व कलामा बोल्दै गएकोमा आफूलाई धेरै भाग्यशाली ठान्दछु। म मेरो वक्तृत्व कला सुरु गर्नुभन्दा पहिलो यो आयोजना गर्ने आयोजकलाई धेरै धन्यवाद गर्न चाहन्छु, जो उहाँले यस्तो कार्यक्रमको आयोजना गर्नुभयो। म मेरो समय खेर नफाली मेरो वक्तृत्व कला सुरु गर्न चाहन्छु। मेरो वक्तृत्व कलाको शीर्षक हो विद्युतको महत्त्व। विद्युत ऊर्जाको महत्त्वपूर्ण स्रोत हो। यो हाम्रो जीवनमा एउटा महत्त्वपूर्ण अङ्गको रूपमा विकास हुँदै गएको छ। त्यसैले हामीले विभिन्न काम गर्न विद्युत वा ऊर्जाको आवश्यक पर्छ। विद्युतले गर्दा हाम्रो कामहरू सजिलो हुन्छ, जस्तै खाना पकाउन, बत्ती बाल्न। विद्युत हाम्रो जीवनमा धेरै महत्त्वपूर्ण हुन्छ। धन्यवाद। हजुरको दिन शुभ होस्।
Let's go, rope. Inside. All of you stretch hand. Inside. Inside. Hands up. Inside. Hands down. Stand it is. Attention. Stand it is. Attention. Now I like to welcome our vice principal to give some information.
So, the duty of conducting assembly is over this time. From Sunday, it's the duty of rhododendron house, captain and vice captain. Are you ready? Very good. Stand at ease. Attention. Stand at ease. Inside, hands up, clap together. In the rhythm. Hands side, hands down. Stand at ease. So, are you well prepared for your evaluation exam? Yes or no? So, 6 to 10, it will start from Monday. 4 and 5, it will start from Tuesday. So, prepare accordingly. And our upcoming ECA is classroom decoration competition. There is competition among the classes, among the students, and among the teachers. So are you ready to compete each other? Yes or no? Very good. And you have got game on Sunday. That's why we have thought to conduct the extracurricular activities on Thursday. Is that clear? Now, all the extracurricular activities will be conducted on every Thursday. So, classroom decoration competition also will be done on coming Thursday. In second half, 3 periods will be given to you. We will complete our evaluation test before 4th bell. And after or during second half, there is competition. You are divided into 2 groups, senior group and junior group. Senior group, class 4, 5, 6, there will be competition. And senior, 7, 8, 9, 10. From each group, we will find out the first rank holder. Only the first rank holder will get a special prize this time. It's not for second and third. That's why you have to be first. Your class teacher will divide you into different groups according to the subjects. So prepare all those charts or display things or decorative items to make your classroom very attractive. Is that clear or not? Okay, attention. Cover up. And side, hands up, and side, hands down. Studies. Attention. Studies. Attention. Mass time. Okay. Karna, no, what is that? Bhanuvakta house? Okay, Bhanuvakta house, boys, move forward. Rest of others, stay in your same position.
नमस्कार Tie your hair. Good. Make two claps, Rima. Remind.